Craving something sweet and cozy, but running low on ingredients? This depression mug cake is inspired by the 1930s classic, made without eggs, butter, or milk, yet still rich, soft, and surprisingly delicious. The best part? You don't need fancy tools or even a lot of supplies, just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. Let's make it together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This forms the base of your cake. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder if you're making the chocolate version, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to help it rise, and just a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. Give everything a quick whisk so the dry ingredients are evenly combined. That way, the cake bakes up evenly without dense spots. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of water to moisten the batter, 1 tablespoon of oil for softness, half a teaspoon of vinegar to react with the baking soda, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for a hint of warmth. Stir it all together until smooth and lump-free. I added 1 more tablespoon of water here, just to loosen the batter and get that perfect smooth consistency. Microwave on medium-high power for about 60 to 70 seconds. Let it rest for a minute. While it cools slightly, let's make a quick cocoa glaze. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and about a teaspoon of water. Mix until smooth and glossy. It should have a rich, pourable texture that glides easily off your spoon. Not too thick, not too runny. Adjust water as needed for perfect consistency. Drizzle it over your cake for that perfect old-fashioned touch, or dust with powdered sugar if you want to keep it rustic and true to its 1930s roots. And there you have it, a simple, nostalgic depression mug cake that proves even in tough times, dessert can still bring a little joy. Ready in minutes, made from pantry staples and full of history in every bite. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.